my goal this morning was to run across this bridge and back, Lions Gate in Vancouver. And it is windy as hell here. This is a bit of an adjustment. I think I'm almost at the halfway point now. But just to illustrate A, how tough that guy is, and B, how windy it is. If I come out from behind this pillar, you kind of get the idea. Gotta keep going. This could only happen to me. So I decide I'm gonna leave my hat on here because the wind picks up right after this spot. So I take a picture, and my hat has now become part of the Pacific Ocean. See if I can still find it. Yeah, there it is.